Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Taylor. If you don't know me, now you know. And today is Halloween. I rarely celebrate this holiday. You know, there's not really like holiday parties around where I live, nor do my friends put on holiday parties. And I honestly don't remember the last time I went trick-or-treating or like dressed up. Today I'm gonna be doing my face makeup. Just wear all black, just keep it simple. I wanted to do like a certain makeup look, but then I didn't want to scare the children because I am just at home right now and I'm waiting for the children to come so I can pass out candy to them. So I'm just gonna be doing like a simple but like intriguing face makeup, and I'll like show you guys it. Before we get started, please make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know when the next video is going to be posted. I post every Tuesday and Friday. Yesterday is Halloween, and by the time this comes out, which is going to be tomorrow, it's going to be November 1st, so it's going to be no Halloween stuff other than like candy going on sale. But anyway, I'm still going to post this because I don't have another video idea in the works right now for me to post for tomorrow. So you're just going to get like an extra day of Halloween stuff. Okay, so like without further ado, let's get started. Please let this have cherry and strawberry in it. Those are my two favorites. You cannot convince me otherwise. Right now, I have a stool. The door is not going to be completely closed because I just want to make sure that I'm able to hear the door, like knocking on the door and trick-or-treating little kids. And yeah, oh, I should plug this in. My tripod broke. So right now my phone is propped up on a paper towel roll, which is propped up on the nozzle of the sink. So first things first, I'm gonna put on my contacts because I can't do nothing without my glasses, and also the look doesn't call for glasses, nor do I want to wear my glasses for said look. So if it's a little crooked, I'm sorry. Let me open this up before we get started. Praying. Oh, okay, not that bad. I got 2 strawberries. I would like a cherry. It's like my top 2 favorites are strawberry and cherry, but my top favorite one is definitely cherry. Try to prove me wrong. You can't. So today's look, obviously, you're gonna want to start off with a clean face and moisturize as well. Using the same moisturizer that I've been using. I'm not gonna go into detail on what I use to wash my face because all y'all should know that, and if you don't, then there's a video on it. There's actually like multiple videos of me talking about it, but I will link it either up above on the card, or I will put the link in the description. There we go. I can't really talk. This is why I do voiceovers for my makeup tutorials, because I like honestly can't even like talk majority of the time. But anyway, there's basically like 2 parts to this section. What I'm gonna be doing is a porcelain doll inspired like makeup look. So I don't know if I want to start with like my natural side because it's gonna be a cracked porcelain doll, or do the white all over. I think I'm gonna start with the natural side just because it's easier and then I can get a feel of where I want to go. But before I do, I am gonna start with outlining my face, and I'm going to use that. I'm just gonna use black from the Morphe 3502 Second Nature palette that I have, and I'm just gonna use that to outline my face. And actually, like when I barely have any brushes to begin with, but it actually sounds like I have brushes from like me just like reaching over. Like, am I a beauty guru? Like, maybe. So I'm just gonna be using this Morphe. Actually, no, I'm not gonna be using that. Should I use that? No. I'm just gonna be using this Ben Nye FB2. It's a lip pencil, but I can just use it for my face as well, because I don't want to use my my eyeshadow pencils quite yet because I don't want to dirty it because I'm gonna be using it for something else. So I'm just gonna be dipping into the black right there, just any black, and I'm just gonna be outlining basically where I want my natural face to be. So definitely gonna want it right there, and it doesn't have to be like straight, you know? You don't want it to be straight. that's the shape that I want more or less. If I like decide to switch it up, then I will. After I'm done with that, I'm just gonna go in with my foundation. I'm just gonna be taking a regular foundation color shade to go in with also my Beauty Blender. I can't even like fathom the fact that it's gonna be November 1st tomorrow. I feel like this like year just went by so fast. And like that's hard to say because usually like, you know, you can like feel it, but like I can't believe it's gonna be November. I'm like 1 month away from like my birthday. Like that's crazy. I'm gonna be 24 in a month and 21 days starting tomorrow. I'm gonna be going with festive colors for Halloween or just for fall in the same palettes because these are the only 3 palettes that I have. That's as good as I'm going to do it. Next, I'm going to add some eyeliner. I'm just going to be winging out my eye. Next, I'm going to be putting on 1 eyelash. And I'm going to be letting the glue set for a little bit while I do my lip. Next, I'm going to be taking 2 colors. I'm going to be taking a burgundy and like a rustic brown color. And I'm going to be doing a lip. This is not the color that I wanted. Okay, so this is not the color that I wanted, but it's okay. What I totally forgot to do is contour my face and highlight. So I'm going to be doing that real quick. It's so weird doing like only like one side of my face because I'm just like, what? Okay, now my lash is probably all dried out for now. So this is this side of the look, okay? Okay. Now I'm just gonna be taking white and taking a sponge. And I'm just gonna get the white and put it all over my face. You know, I'm just gonna use, here we go. Boom. Now, I don't know why there's a fork in here, but it's okay. You're gonna go in again. You're gonna draw the line again. So then after, so What do you think? I'm a porcelain doll. I think it would be better if I like painted my ears too, but I'm not all about that. I don't want to do that. So yeah, so this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you know when the next video is going to be posted. I post every Tuesday and Friday, and without further ado, I'm going to let you guys go. Bye.